So in this video, you will be learning how to insert audio and video inside the PowerPoint. So let me get into PowerPoint. Automatically, when you get into the PowerPoint, the first slide is going to be your cover slide, which we have already seen. So let me insert a new slide over here. Okay. So here let me give the heading about India, and I can write anything about India over here. Okay, I can write anything about India, and for this slide, let's say I want to insert audio. So I'll go to insert tab. Okay, I'll go to insert tab, click on audio, and the last side, in the right side last, you will find audio on my PC. Select the first one, audio on my PC. Okay, so for this, but you need to have some audio ready with you. Aapko, from Google, you need to have the audio downloaded and kept it ready. So I go to the place where I have my audio. I already have it saved. So I have a Sare Jahan Se Acha audio over here. Okay, I'll click on this and then I'll click on insert. I'll click on this and then I'll click on insert. So this is the audio. See, this is a small icon over here. You click on the slide. This is a very small icon over here. Okay. Now you click on this. You have two tabs that will open, which is audio format and then playback. So let's go to audio format. Now over here, if you want, you can change these icons. You can make it any way, the way you want. But let's come to playback. The moment you click on playback, you can see that आप कब इसको प्ले करना चाहते हैं. Like for example, let's start a slideshow. So you're here. Now automatically it is not playing. You're able to hear. Automatically it is not playing. Let me enable the audio as well. So now you will not be able to hear anything. Okay, it is not playing automatically. But the moment you click on play, okay, so you have the audio playing. The moment you click on play, you have the audio playing. So suppose you want the audio to play automatically the moment you come to the slide. The moment you come to the slide, you want it to play it automatically. Click on this. Let's come to playback. Click on this second option, play in background. Okay, play in background. Now if you want to play in all the slide, then you have this tick mark, play across slides. Okay, just let's click on insert. Sorry, let's just have a new slide. Let me have a blank slide. Okay, let me have a blank slide. So let's see whether it plays across the third slide also. So let's start the slideshow first. I come to the first slide. I'll start the slideshow. Now there is no song being played. Let me come to the next slide. Playing until I stop the slideshow. It is still playing. So it plays across all the slide. You don't want it. You want only for this slide. Then remove this tick mark. Remove this tick mark. And loop until stopped is until you stop. You click on stop playing the audio. It will keep going. It will keep going. And hide during the show means this icon will not be visible. When you're having slideshow, it will not be visible. The rest are effects of the audio effect. So if you want, you can use it. Now when do you want the audio to start? Automatically, the moment you come to the slide, you can start it, or when you click on it, it has to start. Then select the last option and you can choose the volume. You want it low, you want it medium, you want it high, because suppose if you're going to speak through the presentation, then I'll select low. Okay, I will select low. So let's check one more time now. I start the slideshow. This is my first slide. So let's just give a heading. This is my cover slide. let me put some picture over here so that we know that this is the next slide. Okay, so let's start with this. I start the slideshow. So we have the cover slide. Volume is low. Means I selected low volume, the volume is low, you are able to next slide. See, the audio stops. Audio stops automatically the moment I come to the next slide. So this is what you the way you insert audio, and you can give effects. Now let's insert a new slide with title only, and here this time we're going to show video. Okay, so I have a video which is already there, so I go to insert tab. Before audio there is an option for video. Select the first one, this device. So you need to have your video downloaded already. Okay, you need to have your video downloaded already. So select the video. Okay, select the video, click on insert. It will come like this. Okay, select the video, click on insert, it will come like this. You can make it small. Okay, you can make it small, and let's go to video format. So the moment you click on video format, you have again lot of options over here. Playback, do you want it to play full screen? That is up to you. Then loop until stop, the same thing. You can use volume, and start. If you click on start automatically, so what will happen is, let's say slide over here. If I click on play, see it comes full screen. The moment I click on play, it will come full screen, because over here I did full screen option enabled over here. If I disable it, and then let me show you, the moment I click on play, it will play in that place only. It will play in that place only. So suppose you want this to play automatically. For example, let's do a small rearrangement. Let me insert a title slide itself and make it thank you slide. Okay, thank you slide from team A, for example. Okay, I've made a thank you slide from team A, and now I want to insert a video which plays behind. So let's select this. I click on insert. I'm going to keep it over here, make it nice full screen, but now the thank you is not visible. Let me send to back, and let me see if I can reduce the transparency. So I'm not able to reduce the transparency at this point of time, but instead of this, at the designer option, I have a place where this goes at the background. And let me go to playback, and I will say automatically. It is going to play automatically for me. So let's start the slideshow from here. So the moment I come to slideshow, this is going to play automatically. The previous slide, it will play only when you click on it. But here, if I come to the next slide, it will play automatically. So this is what happens when you have that option enabled. Start automatically. The rest are video related edits that you will be doing. So this is all about how you insert audio and video within a particular PowerPoint.